Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Rae, aka RaeeUfSunshinee, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this spring twist look on myself. So if you guys are interested, let's just get into this video.
You are listening to Sunshine Beats.
Okay, you guys, so the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to have your hair in individuals. If you were interested in how I did my individuals, it'll be in my Instagram story. Around the time I upload this, it probably won't be on my Instagram story. It'll be on my Instagram highlights, which is right here. So if you were interested, you should go ahead and go find me on Instagram. So here's my individuals. I tried to make them the same size as each other. I usually do a part like this. However, I'm going to try something new, and we're gonna rock a side part. I'm gonna hop into it. I'm gonna hop into everything that you're going to need. These is the first items that you're going to need. You can get this at your hair supply store for $8, and this should be like less than $1. Or if you get hair on Amazon, then it comes with hair on Amazon. The hair out I will be using today is from Amazon. Actually, I got 8 packs for $20. So if you guys are interested, I will link everything down in the description box below. I actually have one that's already opened, so I'm going to hold that one up for you guys. But this is 8 inches and it's supposed to match my hair color, and I think it really matches my hair color, so I'm happy about that. All right, so here is one strand of the hair. It is supposed to be a spring twist, and that is the look I will be doing today. I actually wanted to do a passion twist, but I didn't really think about like spring twist and a passion twist. I thought that they were the same thing at first, but however they're not. I'm going to actually start this half of my hair off camera like usual, and once I reach to a part where you guys can see it, I will be back. Okay guys, and we are back. So I am almost done with my hair. This took me about 3 hours, and I'm going to explain to you why. The first thing which I would say with this hair is that this hair is really nice. I like the way it twists. It's a spring twist, so it's supposed to look like this, like a actual spring, so here is that one strand of hair itself. I started off my hair with only doing one strand to an individual, and this is how it came out, which wasn't a problem because like this half of my hair isn't as long as this part, so that's cool. But then as I started to like do the rest of my hair, I would see that my actual hair would stick through like this hair. So I thought, okay, let's add an extra strand and make it the 2 instead of 1, and it made the spring twist nice and thick. I mean, my hair is still kind of sort of sticking out. It could get retwisted and refixed, but it made the spring twist nice and thick, and it actually looks great as opposed to the one. I'm pretty sure after I'm done my whole entire head, I'm going to hop back in the back and redo those and add an extra strand, but that's for off camera. I'm going to start with this one in the front just because it's easier for you guys, and I'm almost done. Okay you guys, so we're going to start with whichever product you want to use on your hair. I'm using my Shine and Jam. Then we're going to grab our crochet hook. Make sure it's closed, and you're going to stick it underneath the hairband already in your hair, and it should look like this. You are going to grab your hair, you're going to half it and attach it to your crochet hook like this, and once it's attached, make sure you close the crochet hook and feed it through the root of your hair. Then we are going to make a loop so the crochet hair stays attached to our actual hair. Once you have done all of that, it is now time to start twisting. The way in which you twist depends on what kind of hair you get. but you want to twist it in the way that supports the curl pattern of the hair. Ready? And as you can see here, I'm trying to hide my actual hair in the crochet hair because I don't want my hair to be out of the twist. Once it comes down to the end of the hair, I grab more hair product and I just twirl it around. I'm going to repeat the steps a few more times on camera in case you guys need help. You're going to make sure you close the latch of the crochet hook when you attach your hair and feed that through the roots of your hair. Once that is fed through, you're going to make a loop and begin twisting. The one thing I like with this hair is that although it says it's 8 inches, it actually is extremely long. Like, I was twisting for a long time, but it's really cool because it shrinks back up like a spring. Okay guys, and my hair is officially done. It has been like 3.5 hours since I started, start to finish. Since my hair is done, I'm going to go ahead and add some mousse. I usually use holding mousse, but because I don't have any more, I'm going to just be using any mousse I have in my house. Mousse is just supposed to hold the hair. Okay guys, and this is how my hair turned out from my first time doing a spring twist. Alright, so here's the inside scoop. In the beginning of the video, I said that I had 8 packs. I actually had 1 less, and yes, I did use all of them on my hair. The only reason as to why I used them all is because I wanted them nice and thick. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this while I'm here. It's because I wanted them nice and thick. If I only used 1 strand per individual, I think I would have at least 3 hair things left, but I used all of them as I just said before. There is a wrong way to twist the hair, and you would know honestly once you twist the hair and you let go of the hair and it doesn't look how it's supposed to look, if that makes sense. On a scale from 1 to 10 of how hard this is, number 1 being easy, number 10 being the hardest, this would have to be honestly a 3. It's really easy. The only hard thing about it is trying to know which way to twist, and once you know which way to twist, then everything is really easy. You have to know how to let your actual hair stay in the twist and not stick out. As you just seen, I just had to fix this one because I had a hair strand sticking out, but I knew that that was going to happen because my hair isn't as curly as this hair is. One, I personally feel like if your hair is shrunken or if your hair is in its natural state, it will be a lot easier to hold in the twists just because it's not straight, if that makes sense. If your hair is like extremely straight and you're trying to do this, I don't think this hair would be the best kind of hair you would want to use, just because you see the issue I'm having right now and my hair isn't straight. Imagine if your hair was straight and you wanted to use this hair, like you would have this issue. When I do find that my hair is sticking out, I try my best to open up the actual hair itself and to stick my real hair in between the actual hair, then try to twist it all together so it like holds itself. But and then I continue to twist down. I think that's all I have to say about this hair specifically. I really and truly like this hairstyle. I think I'm going to be doing this for a while. I know that the link that I have in the description box below on this hair for Amazon has a bunch of different colors. This hair is pretty cheap. Everything on my head costs $20, guys. $20. You cannot find that in your hair supply store across the street. No, you cannot. If you guys have any questions about anything that you saw or anything about this hair or pertaining the hair or how I upkeep the hair or whatever the case may be, drop all that down below and I will most definitely answer your questions. Or if you are afraid to ask questions and would like to see how I style this, whatever the case may be, make sure you go on my Instagram because I will be doing a lot more things on my Instagram with this hair. I don't really have much more to say, so I'm going to say this. I appreciate you for sticking tuned this far. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.